Welcome back all of you. In today's session, we are going to solve this rational expression involving rational exponents as well. The expression can be rewritten as 1 divided by 2 over 16 to the power 1 over 3. Here, 2 1 time is 2 and 2 8 time is 16. After simplification, it is equal to 1 divided by 1 over 8 to the power 1 over 3. To change division into multiplication, we take the reciprocal. So this one is basically 1 divided by 1 multiplied by 8 over 1 to the power 1 over 3. And this is equal to 8 divided by 1, that is equal to 8 again, 8 to the power 1 over 3. We can write 8 as 2 to the power 3 times 1 over 3. 3 and 3 cancel out. We have answer 2. So the value of given expression is equal to 2. I hope you find this solution easy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.